Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to add subtasks in Asana. So first of all, we have opened these projects. Like you can see, there are multiple projects. So now what we need to do, just click on details. So when you open this tab, you can see there are multiple options, but we will click on add subtask. Just click here. So now you can add subtask here. Like I am adding the random name, my first subtask. So you can also change the text and color. Now I am adding multiple subtasks under this task. So there is no special limit to add subtasks on Asana. So you can add multiple tasks. So this is the simple way to add subtasks on Asana.